Welcome to Lesson 2, where we break down how AI actually writes. You might think AI actually understands what it's typing, but it really doesn't. If you don't get this, you'll build features that expect the AI to think, and your users will get total garbage. Always remember the golden rule. AI is a prediction engine, not a thinking machine. To see how it works, imagine you lock 1,000 random people in a giant room. You give all 1,000 of them a whiteboard and a marker. Then you project the sentence on the wall and ask them to finish it. In the AI world, this exact process is called next token prediction. A token is just a chunk of a word, but for now, let's just call it a word. Here is exactly what happens next. The crowd reads the prompt, everyone shouts out their best guess, and we tally the votes. 600 people yell blue, 200 yell clear, and a few weirdos yell purple. We look at the ranked board and pick the top answer, which is blue. Now we write blue on the board and ask the crowd to guess the very next word. But here is where our crowd metaphor breaks down. Real people use logic to guess, but AI just uses math. The AI doesn't know what the sky actually is. It just knows that in the billions of pages it read, blue shows up after sky a whole lot. Let's try another one. The cat sat on the... The crowd votes heavily for mat, with a few votes for hat and roof. It picks mat, adds it to the sentence, and runs the exact same crowd poll again for the next word. So what do you do with this? First, you can tweak the temperature setting in your API. A low temperature makes it pick the top vote every time, which is safe but boring. A high temperature lets it pick the weird answers. Second, feed it better context. Give the crowd more background info before they start voting so their guesses actually make sense. Just remember, it's basically just a really fast, really big poll. Next time, we'll look at how the AI remembers the start of the sentence.